package for video reviews. Let's see what we got here. This is the GKU D600 Pro Max 4K dashcam. Travis 2 built-in Wi-Fi 6, built-in GPS, and 3-inch display. Drive safe with confidence. We're gonna have a proper vehicle to install this one. G sensor support, loop recording, 1 minute default, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 24-hour parking monitoring, time lapse, power supply. So here we are with the GKU D600 Pro Max dashcam 4K. We're gonna install it on this Ram 1500 Eco Diesel, and it's towing this huge trailer. So it's gonna be super useful for all these trips all over the place. We're gonna do the typical installation. I see that this has a little film here, but the back camera will still be able to be installed there somewhere. I've done this process before. Actually, I done it with this other Ram 1500. So let's get to it. Should be easy. I mean, nothing is completely easy, but I think I'm gonna go this route. Go here, the 12-volt charger here, so it's gonna be a little bit messy, but with all the respect to the owner, it's a little bit messy already, so I don't think it's gonna mind that. Let's start here. We've done this a few times. QR codes if you wanna email or talk to the company for any problems. We shouldn't have any. Again, we've done it a few times. It's basic information. The QR code for the user manual. And this is a QR code to watch a video for installation. The typical stuff that we get with these cameras. We've done a few of these already, and here's the app, Google or Apple, so you can monitor your car, download your files. The card goes here on the side, should be already in, they come with it. Here's the little guide for the installation. We run the wires here through the panels, and that's it. So let's get to it. Memory card guidelines. So these cameras record in a loop for a long time. Here we have, these are little pads in case you need them to secure the wire around the panels. The tool to push it in. This is the back camera, I can tell now because of the long wire. Take this out here. This is goes to the back. Here's the whole wire. This connects here again, and this connects to the main camera in the front. So this goes to the back. Let's start putting stuff away. Here's the mount for the actual camera. We'll go on top of this one. You have two options, I guess. You can use this pad to secure it there in the front. There's the main camera. This is the wire to connect the main camera. And these trucks have the 12-volt connector here. I'm going to try to make it as clean as possible. And here's the main camera. You connect the back camera here and the main camera here. Let's take all the protective film. There's one here too. And let's see if it turns on automatically. I have to turn on the car. Let me check something out here. Okay, here it is. We're gonna do a partial installation because the 12-volt charger is not working there, but we have an extra wire connected here to the USB drive, and there it is, GKU.
Please insert SD card.
So let's go and run the back camera, which is here somewhere. This truck has a window that runs to the driver's side, opens to the driver's side, so we're gonna install it on the other side. We have the film there, so it's kind of blurry. It goes like this. Okay, there it is. Now we're gonna run this wire all the way out. Run the wire here, and because of this problem we have with a 12-volt charger, so it goes like this. We're gonna install it partially there, and you can see how it works. Clean here a little bit the spot where we're gonna put the camera, and we're gonna install this sticker designed to secure the camera more stably. So clean the area with the windshield where you plan to attach it. Ensure that it's free of dirt and bubbles, and apply the electrostatic sticker to the clean area, and then attach the top. So they're referring to this. So let's do this here. It's gonna be here. And no bubbles. And we're gonna attach this here. And we have a working camera now. It secures it completely, so it's not going anywhere. You get a clue, you can move here this a little bit. So here it is, the GKU 4K dash cam D600 Pro Max.